Hey, friends, Dave D. Williamson here from Social Pro Revolution with another quick tip out of the goodness of our heart. We give away more free training for free. That actually works for you in your primary business that most leaders have in their paid training. Here's a quick tip for you. You have to reach a mass audience, but then you have to learn how to influence that audience. That's where most people fail, okay? So we teach influential copywriting. I have Carol here, one of my top coaches. She has a student that has got a message in LinkedIn. And as you can see it here, scroll up a little bit, Carol, so you can show them this message. Let me see where it's at. Okay, just got this message from a guy on LinkedIn. A little more about me. I'll read it to you. A little more about me. I'm a professional network marketer since 1998. Had my first six-figure income at 2000. Everybody says that, okay? I haven't been that bad since. Branding does not duplicate, just a way to perceive experts to steal sales and recruits from the downlines of others, okay? If you folks have a chance, stop by or stop showing them bull BS and get them real results here. And he put his business link. You see that? And then he refers to what Jim Rome said, a famous speaker. Sometimes folks do not duplicate, want to teach for free what does not work. All right. Carol asked me how she can tell her student to respond to this guy, okay? Now, you got to be able to turn people around. You're going to get spammers all the time. People that don't know social media. They don't believe. They just believe in spamming their link to you. And what you have to do is you have to educate them. In order to educate them and turn them around and make them a sale for your business or educate them even more, whatever, bring them into your business, you have to learn how to influence them. And you do that through proper copywriting, okay? So scroll up in your message here, Carol, and we're going to show them what I gave you to send this guy in LinkedIn. All right, here's what we're saying back to this guy. Question. Do you also believe in what Zig Ziglar said? You can have everything in life you want if you just help other people get what they want? Yes or no? We're asking him if he believes that also, okay? Now, then we asked him, if so, then how do you explain the fact that when you use proper social media branding to help others, it is perceived by experts as explained any differently? What I'm doing is throwing his mind off guard. If you don't throw somebody's mind off balance, you are not going to control the conversation. If you let their mind think on their own, it'll eat them up. Why are people failing? Because they think they know what works. Their mind's working on their own. You have to be able to influence them into accepting from a psychologically standpoint voluntarily without dictating to them. If you dictate it to them, they're going to run from you. So you have to get them to psychologically accept the fact that your common sense approach works. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, yeah, maybe I ought to check that out. Therefore, your reasoning makes no sense to me or to the masses. Tom, you are branding your business opportunity, Network Marketing Pro, and not yourself. I suggest a good old can of Social Pro branding education for you, but only if you are teachable. Teachable, all in caps to bring it out. If you are not, see ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. Let me know and have a nice day. Okay, that is influential copywriting. Now, I carry an 82 to a 92% rate in converting spammers back over to joining my business. How many marketers do you know that can do that? My coaches do it all the time. Okay, and that's what we offer at Social Pro Revolution. Now, let me bring something else to your attention. Scroll down a little bit, Carol. When her student sends this message to this guy, Tom, I assume his name's Tom because it's linked up here. Put your cursor on the link up here, honey. Tom Sparrow info up here. See, I assume his name's Tom. See, Tom in there? Okay. When her student sends this message to Tom and replies back, we're really making everybody see that we're really trying to educate him in a good way. Now, we know he's not educatable by the way he's marketing, okay? If he's been doing this 20 years or whatever he says, he's probably lying about that. But anyway, regardless, even if he's not, he's set in his ways. So what we're doing is we have to get paid for our time. So if we spent 10 minutes putting this letter together for him to try to convert him and we don't get no results from him, we wasted 10 minutes of our time. And we don't believe in that. We network everything 100-fold on the internet. So here's how we're networking this to make it worth our time. Look down here, highlight the hashtag here, Carol. Now look, everybody, I'm using a hashtag here, branding. That means everybody on LinkedIn that's mentioning business opportunity or branding is going to have a chance to see this. They're going to click on the hashtag branding. They're going to come over and see his silly post here and see where we tried to legitimately educate this guy. And they're going to say, wow, Carol's student makes sense here. Social Pro uses a logical approach. That makes sense. You know what? I'm going to check this out more and get me a free coach. Okay? So Carol, give them a call to action for these people that we're going to access on LinkedIn. So come down here, do 2 more soft returns, and start another paragraph. And incidentally, my friend, soft return is a shift enter. It takes it down a half a space. Now say, hey, Tom, again, if you are educatable, and educatable all in caps, or teachable all in caps, because you already used the word teachable. If you are teachable, comma, contact me back and I'll set you up in today's social media branding with some good old fashioned one-on-one, use hyphens in the one-on-one to make it stand out so he notices it, personal coaching and video training worth over $1,000, and I'll show you real results, real all in capital, within your all in caps, your first 1 to 3 days, without all in caps, because you got to think they're going to think there's a catch, without all in caps, honey. Oh. Without any catches whatsoever. Because the first, you got to get it in the mind of your prospect. He's going to think, oh, $1,000 for one coach, there's got to be a catch. No, I'm inside his head already. I know what you're thinking. And there are no catches whatsoever. For you people watching this video, you follow instructions here. Whoever posts this video, the text instructions, you get yourself, contact the person on Skype that you've seen this video, and we will give you $1,000 free one-on-one personal coaching. We don't have no upsells, no bullcrap, no black hat marketing. We are an honest business, and we will get you results before you ever spend one stinking dime of your hard-earned money. I guarantee it. I'm the founder of Social Pro. I am adamant about it, okay? I have over 900 successful students. I have over 10 full-time coaches. You're on a call with me. I got people coming on and off my call and working. My business works as I'm working with you. You can see it. I don't have nothing to hide. My coaches have nothing to hide, okay? I love you people. I am the real deal. I will show you this works. So if you're struggling with reaching a mass audience, or getting free lead sign-up sales for any primary business, product, or service you're offering, you come see us. We will show you it works. You don't have to pay for faulty promises. You don't have to pay up front for any program. All right, so Carol, now at this point, once your student sends him this message, he either gets back to you and says, hey, that sounds interesting, I am teachable, and we'll bring him aboard, or see ya, wouldn't want to be ya. Okay, that's the way it works. So we have no more time to waste with the guy. This is the way it works. Go ahead and send that message to your student. And her student right here is Sydney. You can see his picture right up here. That's her student. Now he's going to reply back to this guy. Okay, I hope you learned something from this. I don't know a system out there or a leader that teaches influential training the way I teach it. And you have to know what I'm knowing right here, what I'm teaching you in copywriting. You have to know this to get where the leaders are. The leaders don't want to show you this because they don't want to cut loose their secrets. And that's money greed, okay? That's bullcrap. We share it all with you, okay? So I just give you $100 tip right here, okay? So you need to get with a person that posted this video and follow the instructions and contact them on Skype and get yourself a coach, my friend. You will never look back. You will never join another business. I guarantee you. You will never. When you get with us, with our team, you'll say, now I know what a real business is. Okay, my friends, God bless you all, wherever you are in the world, night, day, evening, whatever. We will catch you later. Say goodbye, Carol.
Bye, everybody.
Toodaloo.